So this is a 2008 Nissan Quest, and it's been having issues with spark, no spark, and it has fuel pressure and it has fuel. It just doesn't have a spark. And I checked that through the coils and the spark plug. But one thing that I've done that I've noticed is that I unplug this one. I unplug this one, and then after I unplug it, um, and I plug it, I blow on it, and I put it back on, the car will start. But it has nothing to do with the spark. Like, I mean, this goes to the exhaust manifold, the sensor. So I don't know why it controls the spark, but it's been turning on every time I unplug it and I plug it back in. So for those of you that have a Nissan Quest 2008 that's, always giving you problems, try that. I'm not sure if I'm gonna replace the whole thing, but I may have to. I'm not sure, but it's definitely suspicious. So I hope somebody gets help through this. And yeah, these cars suck.